Hey guys, welcome back. Explore Nation here. Today we are going to be further on exploring the ditches that we did in video number 2. But today's going to be a lot more fun because we're actually going to be taking tunnels and stuff like that, and then showing you like a cement ditch, which if it were to rain, we would probably about instantly drown. But it's a good thing that they put ladders in there. So, yeah, and the reason why we started the video off in here is just because there's a lot of funny stuff like written. Like Jesus was here. And Ganga sauce for my boostage. Yeah, there's just a lot of stupid freaking writing down here. Yeah, we don't want to spend too much time in here because actually this is actually our third go at recording a video. So we actually don't have much time left. But there's an Illuminati and there is a pentagram. And today Phoenix is actually going to have a try at holding the camera at some point because I have a very giant soda in my hand, so it's kind of hard. And also in the back. Kind of, yeah. I mean. Kids, there's something you should never do. Obviously, no drinking or no smoking underage, but also never ride your bike with a soda opened and in your hand. Because if you do and you hit a bump wrong, you not only might fall off, but soda's gonna spill over you, and then you're gonna be all sticky. So, yeah. And we're actually about to give you a sneak peek for one of our newer videos, and I know said we were gonna try to upload weekly.
Yep, but like the thing is, guys, we actually filmed a video about 2 weeks ago. And it ended up being about like 30 minutes long, which is, 2 times as long as most of our videos so far. And we were meaning to upload that because it is a really good video, and it's our first one where we're not just like confined to the swamp spaces of the ditch, but it's having trouble uploading right now, so maybe that'll come eventually, but as of right now, it's probably not going to be uploaded for a while until we figure out how to do it. But basically what we said in that one was just thank you guys to all the people who have already subscribed. And we weren't expecting to get like 7 subscribers in the first 2 videos.
Yeah, so thanks for the support. We love you guys. And well, once we can get some some of that green paper, but we'll make some merchandise for you guys too. And this is a sneak peek of where we might be going.
Yeah, check this out, guys. We were out here basically like
yesterday,
2 or 3 hours, and just sort of scoping everything out, thinking about things for videos. And we came across this, which neither of us had noticed before, because we don't really come all the way out here that often. But this over here is, as of right now, the deepest. The longest and deepest ditch that we've ever, or it's not even a ditch, it's just like a tunnel,
we like to call this the Satan's tunnel just because of all the satanic things written on the walls, plus it also leads to our city's graveyard.
It literally leads into the graveyard. You guys can see it's basically pitch black in there, and yesterday we stepped a few feet and decided, well, first off, we weren't even recording yesterday, but we're gonna go in there with another good friend. He'll probably be appearing in like other videos, but that just because we all need to have flashlights, and also it's just better to have more people whenever you're doing this kind of stuff.
Yeah. So
because we heard some stuff in here the other day, but
expecting this video either.
Yeah, this is probably gonna come next week or the following, but most likely next week.
Or heck, even more likely, probably this weekend.
Yeah.
Because,
Oh yeah, this weekend.
Yeah, because that's whenever I'm gonna be able to get my friend to come, and Phoenix might be able to get a friend of his to come.
Well, he's both our friends. Oh crap, dude, there's some. We just heard somebody in there. We're gonna go. Sorry about that, guys. We were not expecting that, but that's exactly why.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing more.
Holy crap, that just scared the crap out of me.
We're
I'm
definitely gonna be taking pocket naps with us just in case anything crazy does go down.
I'm sure that was somebody.
Yeah, like that was yesterday. I swear to God, I heard somebody down there also.
Yeah.
I didn't hear it just now, but Phoenix did. So.
Dude, didn't you hear those voices?
Mm-mm.
Dude, you'll probably be able to hear them on the video. But yeah, guys, that's why. So make sure to like this video. I mean, we're gonna go down there regardless, but just like the video. I mean, we're sort of taking a risk. I mean, not really, but you know, I heard something down there. Well,
You know what, guys?
sound like there are 2 or 3 people. They seemed
If
like they
we
were trying
can
to
get
talk to
this-
us.
If we can get this video just to 50 likes, because so far, I mean, I know 50 likes right now is a lot to ask because our channel is new, but so far we've gotten to 28 likes and all. If we can get this video to specifically 50 likes, depending on if my friends agree on it, which I hope Phoenix probably will. I don't know about the other one, but if we all agree on this, if we can get to 50 likes, we will go down there for an hour while it's dark.
I'll do that. Yeah, 50 likes. That's pretty big. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to see if there's anybody in there because I want to see somebody come out of there because
I mean, don't get me wrong, it's going to be super scary, but at the same time, it's going to be also super fun doing that.
So guys, right now we're probably going to be a little bit on edge because we're not sure if there's going to be somebody following us. But hey, if this video doesn't get uploaded because we died, then there's no point in telling you this at all. So
I mean, let's hope somebody finds the phone and uploads the video.
but yeah, I heard somebody like talking. I have a feeling they probably saw us.
Oh my god, dude. What if it's just like someone singing and stuff?
Yeah, exactly. Could be.
Dude, if it's an insane guy, dude, do you know what that reminds me of? The Russian sleepies.
Oh, yeah, and it also doesn't help that we're watching a bunch of creepy pastas all day.
I mean, dude, because
Like literally from like the time we woke up at like 6 in the morning to
just
like
imagine if he charged us and grabbed our nuts and then just twisted them off.
yeah, because that happened in the creepy pasta.
Or, dude, imagine if he just slapped one of us, grabbed our pocket knives, and then cut the other 2 guys' testicles off, and then kept one of us to eat.
Yeah, can you stop talking about that? But yeah, this place could be a little like pretty like basically like yesterday, like from the back of like where we start off to where we like ended up yesterday, we probably went about, I would venture to say like
3 miles.
probably like more like 4, I would say like 4 miles probably.
Well, were you talking about from your house to there, or from your house all the way around where we went to?
Oh no, probably just to there.
Oh, well, to there I would say maybe 2 or 3.
I would think, I don't know, man. We ended up all the way by Walmart. I mean, sure, that's not that far off, but dude, I keep on having to look back. I'm afraid I'm going to see somebody.
Well, then don't look back. That's how I learned. Actually, dude, if we do go in there during the night, and we do hear somebody, even if we do die, do you know the worst thing you could do in the dark if you're scared? Never run, because that just brings your adrenaline up and makes you more scared if you run, because then you actually feel like you're actually running from something.
But yeah, honestly, we would probably end up live streaming that. I don't know, just to, because I don't know,
Yeah, because it might take us a minute to get to 50,000 likes, and hopefully, I mean, not 50,000, just 50, but whenever we do, if I have high-speed data, because I do have unlimited, but I only get 6 gigs of high-speed. If I have high-speed data, I will live stream that.
Yeah, yesterday we went all throughout all 3 of these. Today we're not going to be doing that just because, you know, it'll take forever, but
Yeah, plus I gotta get home here soon, so.
yeah, we just are like passing like the high school right now, which
these tunnels that we're going through are called the high school tunnels, because in the middle school I go to for track, we have to go to the high school for the actual track meets because we don't have an actual
track field.
Yeah, track. So we either practice on our football field where we don't even have a track and it's very uneven, or we practice at the high school. And so that's where we have most of our meets. And actually, we're not allowed to take the tunnels, but it's just faster to take the tunnels. So there's actually a lot of us that will take the tunnels even though our coaches tell us not to, because if we were to get injured down there, then we could lose a player for a game or two. So, but most of us did it anyway because we were like, heck, who cares, you know? But you know, like if we get hurt, like that's our fault.
Yeah, that's why we like to have more than 2 people here.
But most of the time we don't, because we're like Sam and Kobe and we're idiots. I mean, literally, Phoenix has black hair, I have blonde hair. And, I mean, if you talk about facial features, we don't really look like Sam and Kobe. But if you talk about just how adventurous we are and, like, our hair, then, yeah, we're pretty much like Sam and Kobe.
Well, yeah, that YouTube channel is a big inspiration for us, especially because the first video of theirs we saw was actually shot in our city right here. It's an abandoned Walmart, and as far as we can tell, it's like really rare to have an actual like abandoned Walmart. And we had gone there and tried to record a video, but that was before we made this one. And you know, we were like exploring all sorts of like actual abandoned places rather than just like ditches and tunnels and stuff. But yeah, we're definitely gonna go back there someday. So yeah, I even got in a little, but I decided not to go all the way because I was gonna wait for him.
Yeah, and then there's also a video store next to it, and we actually went inside of that.
That was recorded, but we never ended up posting that because that was before we were gonna make this YouTube channel.
Yeah, and the crazy thing, I mean, we kind of had plans for making a YouTube channel, like we should do an export channel, but we never did. Like that was like a month ago. But the thing is that whenever we went inside that building, there was like a hallway, and one of the lights was on in that hallway, so we have a feeling that there could be somebody living in there. No, and that place has been closed since before I was born, and that was almost 14 years ago.
What the frick? Holy.
It looks like somebody was just laying down in front of the tunnel we were about to go into.
Do you guys see that?
Like that giant tunnel.
Hello? Do you guys hear that? That's like rats squealing.
Was it really?
Yeah.
I feel like it's birds. You guys want to say? I'm just gonna clear out all the birds.
Here, I'm gonna get my coat real quick. But yeah, guys, like we were saying, Sam and Kobe, they're a really big inspiration to us, and
Yeah, we watch all their new videos.
so please go subscribe to them because they're really the reasons that we're doing this. Oh crap!
That was scary.
We didn't even go down this one yesterday, but
I'm also gonna put my soda in my backpack just because I don't want to get nothing gross on it. You know? Dude, I hope we don't find any like rats or mice. Because rats, I mean, those are scary because rats will actually bite you.
yeah.
I mean, mice, every once in a while you hear of them biting people, but that's not as often as like a rat. Like, I feel like a rat might
Okay, we're gonna just be here for 1 second, just sort of talking just for 1 minute, and then I'm gonna pick it back up. I'm also just need to get a drink. But yeah, we also just.
Dude, look at what it says.
I hope so.
Siri. Dude, look at all that bird crap. That's disgusting. Oh, wait, the flashlight's not on?
I don't think it's
No, but that tunnel's dark.
Yeah, guys, we're about to go through the tunnel. Like, we were looking at it yesterday, and I've never gone through there, and I'm honestly pretty freaked out. But he says it's not that far, and do you hear those? I hear like voices.
Oh, the camera light is being used. So I can't turn on my flashlight. Okay.
Guys, I feel like I just heard voices from somewhere. I mean, and that tunnel's big and all, and I definitely wouldn't go into it if it was like a really small space. But
I mean, there is going to be a part where we're kind of going to have to crouch. Barely, though.
let's go show them over here.
Dude, all this bird crap is fresh. Dude, there's so many. Dude, I don't know if I want to go that way.
Come on.
Yeah, but they could attack us. Be careful, dude. There was one behind us. I heard it flap its wings. See, guys, that's the tunnel that we're going to be going through.
Oh, I see where that comes from. Wait, does it split off into different areas?
I thought it
Look in
did.
there, guys. Oh. These things are freaking us out right now. Like, I have a feeling they're actually telling us to like get away.
Like, well, I mean, a lot of their nests are down there.
I'm just. Yeah, as you guys see, over there we went yesterday. We went really far back there. That'll also be in probably. So, the next video will probably be going through that one that leads into the cemetery that we just showed you guys. And then after that, we'll probably go through here, and that might complete our ditch exploring for a while. Like, won't be permanently done, but that'll probably be the end for a little while. Holy crap, dude, egg.
That's nasty.
But
Do you want to go first? You can hold the camera.
let's go at the same time. Wait, can we turn the flashlight on now?
No, because the camera has a light.
So, yeah, guys, we'll probably still go through here whenever we bring our other friend too. I'm really, really worried, honestly.
I mean, I don't think there's anything in here besides maybe a mouse.
No, it's just.
That was me.
Holy crap, I'm hearing like my eardrums shake like that once because that's. Yeah, because.
This
Oh,
Dude, I do actually think that there might be mice in here.
dude, we gotta do it though for the video. I guess. Are you sure we can't put on the camera?
Let me see. Hold on.
Or not the camera,
Nah, that's not working. Oh, God. Yeah, it's not working.
Then I guess, guys, we're just gonna have to do this. I mean. Guess how much we still
Dude, it's just scary because I don't want to run it anyway. Do you think that sound is coming from in here? Are you sure?
Flapping around, dude. They're basically watching us. I think those are the males. Like, they're like telling us to get out of here. Oh, crap. Dude, that thing's getting aggressive.
Well, then I guess we better go through here because I know where it gets out and we could just climb up.
Let's go, I guess.
I'm scared of mice. Guys, this is so terrifying.
So, dude, it's just a straight one. It doesn't split off anywhere else.
No, I promise. Plus, if it does, just follow the light.
I just thought I saw somebody, like, a shadow moving over there. Guys, this is, like, legitimately scary.
See, right there's where we're gonna have to crouch. I don't see no mice ahead of us.
Here, try to back real quick just so that they can see them pretty. I'm just like. Oh, God, guys.
This is terrifying. It's better whenever you're with a bunch of track students and they're making a lot of noise and everybody has a
I
flashlight.
just heard something like up there. Like, everything started dropping. I say we just go there.
Okay, start crouching. Just for some reason it gets smaller.
Here, you come right beside me.
See, I almost don't even have to crouch. Oh my gosh, it gets smaller.
Holy crap, guys, this is pretty
I mean, now it's not near as...
I almost just
Oh, dude, that's disgusting. I mean, now it's not near as scary now that we can see stuff, you know?
Makes me want to get out of here.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely come down here after we have our other friend and we have some light. Flashlights. 'Cause with flashlights, I have a feeling one of you is like freaky.
Dude, look, I think that's where one of the other ones gets out. Or I don't know, I can't see no light down there.
This is crazy. I hear like.
See, dude, at least now we're away from the pigeons. One time my sister cried because our dogs killed a pigeon in our yard. One time I tried to parkour up these and I sprained my ankle. So, yeah, and that was during track too, so I had to like run track with like a sprained ankle. It honestly really sucked. Yeah. It like really sucked. So dude, are you gonna walk me back to my house?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Here, right here looks fine to climb up.
Oh, we're going. Okay.
I mean, unless you want to go further, it doesn't matter.
No. There you go. So as you guys see, that's where we just came out of.
Dude, there's actually some manholes over here. Like literal
Oh
holes.
crap! What the frick is this?
Here. Sorry guys, freaking allergies are killing me. Look dude, we were just at the Dollar General right there.
Wow, we just went under all that.
Yeah, we, like, right there. We were literally right there. We came all the way through here and then looped back around through there. But dude, look, Dollar General was right there, and it seems like we were walking for at least 30 minutes.
So this video's already gotten to be about 20 minutes, so, like, dude, were we gonna do anything else, or are we just gonna...
I don't know. Can you think of anything?
Like, is there anything up here?
Not besides my school. I don't even think we're supposed to be on this property, though.
Or, so do you just want to end the video here?
Sure.
Okay, guys, well, you guys got to see that. You guys got to see where we're probably gonna go this Saturday. So, yeah, this is like, anyway, we're still trying to, like I said in the beginning of the video, that, like, this was supposed to be our 4th video, but the original 3rd didn't really work out. We're still gonna try to get that uploaded eventually because I'm just, even though the title will say it, like, I'm just gonna say it a little, like, we find, like, actual, like, skeletons there, like, of, like, different animals, and it's pretty freaky, so, oh, look at that thing. But, yeah, we're probably gonna end the video about right here, and, see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.